Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily adjust white balance temperature manually on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Camera Hub, which is an app for ELGATO cameras. Now scroll a bit down until you see white balance. Here, what you guys need to do if you want to adjust it manually is disable the automatic white balance, and here we have the temperature. Now what we can do with that is basically click it with the left mouse button and hold it. Now you can go left or right depending on the temperature you want to get. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.